I've worked like this more than 1000 days. But if you remove the chair to work from the floor, the proportions matter. A floor desk only works if you get 2 measurements right. The first measurement is height. Because if the surface of your desk is too high, your shoulders lift. If the surface is too low, your back compensates. When the surface meets your elbows naturally, your shoulders don't lift, your back doesn't compensate, everything just settles. I use a full setup, a 17-inch laptop, external keyboard, mouse, a 24-inch screen. So this is not a minimalist laptop on the floor situation, it's a real working desk. If I had to choose between a desk that is slightly too low and a desk that is slightly too high, I would choose the higher one, because you can always raise yourself with cushions, for example, but it's more difficult to raise a desk that is too low. When I got this measurement right, everything felt natural, not forced, not experimental, just correct. The second measurement is depth. Your forearms need support. If they float, your shoulders carry tension for hours. My tabletop is 120 by 60 centimeters. That gives enough space for my screen and full support for my arms. Once height and depth were correct, comfort was solved. After that, it was about feel. I chose wood. Oak is beautiful but expensive. Birch is more affordable and works perfectly. At around 2.5 centimeters thick, the tabletop feels stable. It doesn't flex, it feels grounded. And building it was surprisingly simple. Measure, go to the hardware store, buy wood, buy legs, buy screws, assemble. It was affordable and it looks exactly how I want it to look. Minimalistic. One expected result? I stopped looking at desks. If I go to IKEA now, I just walk past that entire section. There are no floor desks, so there's nothing for me there. That feeling is surprisingly peaceful. I'm settled, I don't need an upgrade, I don't compare. Most people think the body should adapt to the desk. It's the opposite. The desk adapts to the body. That's why this has worked for 3 years. Not because it's extreme, not because it's trendy, but because it fits. Would you ever ditch your chair?